Hello, and welcome to the pet room. Dave Bradley here. I have in front of me an original, very old, very vintage, very lovely Commodore PET 2001 series. And yes, it has the cassette here, it has the horrible little checkered keyboard there. And because this one works, as you will soon see, I will turn it on. I'm using it to test other things. This is an 8K model, which means it has 7,167. Did I say 67? 7,167 bytes free. That's what it's got. That's all it's got. Anyway, I need to turn this off. I need to open the pet and put the holder in, and then I have a couple of chips from the Blue Bezel machine that need to go in to be seeing what's what. So I'll take this chip puller and gently massage this chip. The machine is off. I will gently massage this out. I will, and I will see that yes, this is a 6520. I'm going to put this over here. I'm not going to do a bag quite yet, because I think it's going to go back in. So here is another 6520. And I have checked which way the witness mark was when it came out. You know what? I'm going to unplug the keyboard, because this connector is kind of in the way here of me seeing what I am doing. Hello, there you go. Alright, how are we doing? Okay, I believe the 6520 chip is in. And the machine still comes up. That is encouraging. It is hard to tell, though, with these chips, because they do different input-output functions, if that really means it's okay, or if it's not okay. But I am assuming that it is. So, that is a good sign. At least it hasn't given me any obvious failures. So the machine is off. I will gently pry this out and set it over here, making sure not to mix it up with the other one that I'm about to put in. The pins are a little wonky. Not terrible. Not terrible, just a little tweak. A little tweak. Okay. Okay, that's in. And that too comes up. So beware of the major chips on this machine that are facing horizontal. If you check the witness mark on all of them, they're all on the right side, except for this one. And this throws people off. It does. The other non-major chips, the RAM chips are all down. The RAM chips, the witness mark is down. And from the looks, just looking around, all the other chips that are in here face down or to the right. This one is to the left. Beware. This is the 6520 chip near the front of the machine. So, time for another bag. Okay. And so far, these seem to be okay. 65, 20 chips, blue, bezel. Oh, okay, and check outlet. Okay, does this mean they're absolutely positively perfect? Not necessarily, but they don't obviously fail or make the machine fail. So that is helpful. So put one in the bag. The machine is off. Oh, almost screwed up. This is not the chip. This is the original one from the Blue Bezel. Wrong. Okay. I'll put that in there. Must be careful. Okay, the machine is off. I'll pop this out. We will pop it out. And the pins look okay. And we're good. Seal up the bag. Toss it in the Blue Bezel pit. Now here's the chip that I almost screwed up. Remember, witness mark to the left. And I was talking with Rudy of Rudy's Virtual Intel. He said he was working on one of these. He said, yeah, there's nothing to indicate. Absolutely nothing to indicate on the board or with the sockets which way things go. And you know what? He is correct. There is nothing. Alright, we'll turn this back on. And the machine comes up. Life is good. Well, while we're here, checking things out, I'm going to pop out another major chip here. And see what is this? 6502. I'm going to set it down, maintaining the positioning of the witness mark. And I will pop this out. So 6502 out, witness mark to the right, checking the pins. Maybe a little tweak is necessary. A little tweak. Just a little tweak. Okay. Alright. That feels like it went in okay. But I'm not so sure. Anyway, we'll turn it on. See if the machine comes up. I might have bent a pin. I don't think so. Okay. Where is my marker? There it is. Okay. $65.02 Blue Bezel. Good. All right. Good. 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 All right. Into the little baggie. So the machine is still on. Good. Wait a second. Oh dear. Right. I just did that again. I swapped the chip and put the wrong one in the bag. No, 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 no. Okay. Off. Okay. That still looks okay. Oh dear. I just dropped not only the chip, but the bag. Alright, I'm going to get that after because it's fallen down into a horrible position. Okay, so 6502 is going. Ooh, a little tweakage on those pins. 6502 is going back. Hello. Okay. We're in. Turning it on. Okay. So there's really only 2 more chips of significance in this blue pet to come out. So we might as well. Here is one of them. It is a 6522. Remembering, of course, the witness mark. Oh, no. It's on the right. Everything on the right, except for the one. Okay. So we'll delicately pull this out. Check the pins. Turn it on. And it comes up okay. Alright. Now, before I put the wrong chip into the bag. Okay. D5, 22. Blue. Bezel. Good. And now I'll turn off the machine and actually get the chip. Oop, no, I'll do it from the other side. It's not a bad thing to pry on another chip if you can. Okay. Excellent. Open the bag. Put it in. Now, the other thing, as I'm here, I'm just looking. Okay. Haha. Alright. So the 6522 has to go back in. Looks good. It does. Turn it on. Comes up okay. Alright, now I know we've already tested this, but we'll do it again. So now here, I have the 6540 from the chicken pet. It's not in there. So which is what? You know what? This one must be from Rusty, Crusty, and Dusty. Alright. So I've already tested this. So it can come out with great care. And I can put that in a little wee bag. Okay. $65.40. I'm gonna put R D C, rusty, dusty, and crusty. Good. All right. And put it in the bag. In the bag. Hello. In the bag. Hello. Get in there. Get in there. Okay. And I'll put it over here. And then I will take the bag that has this chip that should be in this machine, and I will put it back in. Keep the little bag right there. Witness mark to the right. Pin tweak just a little bit. And ooh, that sounded pretty harsh. Let's see if it comes up. And it does. Okay, so we have done no harm. That is always good. We have a couple of bags here that they can linger because they may be needed. And I dropped a chip, so I better pick that up. Anyway, we are getting there. Now it's funny. There's a whole bunch of ROM chips in this machine. I think they've been all switched. You could upgrade them. I think these and those do not match. But I will investigate further. But for the moment, I will sign off from the pet room. David Bradley. Wishing you a fine, fine day. And we'll see you again soon. Back here in the pet room. Bye for now.